Hello, I will show how to use the Camel textual root debugger with a Camel Quarkus application. So for that, I have the timer log here example from the Camel Quarkus example repository. I applied a few modifications. So first, I provided a profile here where there is I'm adding the Camel Quarkus management and the Camel debug dependency. As you can notice, the Camel management has been quarkified, but not the Camel debug. So we need to quarkify it here. So for that, in the application.properties, you need to add two little properties to have the Camel debug component ready for it. So after this project is configured, I will see how to launch it. So here I created a task, a VS Code task. I'm using MVN, using the Quarkus dev, and enabling the profile that I provided. I'm reusing this problem matcher, which will allow to wait that the connection is ready to connect to the Camel debugger. And I have a launch configuration, which is saying first start the application and then attach the Camel debugger. So if I go to my root, I see in the run and debug view, I see that I have my my launch configuration. We can see the task here, which is launched. So after a few seconds, it is compiled and it will start the root. And as soon as it is ready, here you will see that it will change. Here, now it is connected, so it means that I can put a breakpoint and my camel root, I can debug my camel root and see what is the message at this place. A few warning just after that. Keep in mind it is working only in JVM mode. A lot of improvements is coming next, but at least for the current state and when using Camel Quarkus 2.8, this is the way to go, and you can transpose it to other IDEs if you want. This is just an example with VS Code. I hope you enjoy it.